Dylan! George! Excuse you? George! Hi, buddy! Hi! What are you doing? Do you have the hiccups? Oh, what was that noise? What's that crazy noise? Huh? You're just hanging out, huh? George, what's the matter? Gentle. What? George, quit it. Come up here. Come on. Come on. George, up here. He's a crazy dog, George is, isn't he? Isn't he, Dylan?
Well, what are you doing here? I'm here for Gideon's birthday party. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to torture you.
George. Come on.
No, listen, you're still leaving. You're just gonna have to pack.
My boys.
No. I'm leaving everything.
There's my boys. Are you waving? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Luke, you cannot get on a